Welcome to Off the Shelf with Economics, brought to you by the Bessie Moore Center for Economic Education in the Sam M. Walton College of Business at the University of Arkansas. Today's story started with my find of a book titled Hidden Figures. Now, I hope that most of you are aware of the movie by this name. There will be more on this book later, but please watch the movie. It's very compelling and tells the story of 4 African American women and the challenges they went through to develop their human capital. Those of you who know my love for children's books know that I really like to make Arkansas connections. And so I was so excited when I found this book, The Girl with a Mind for Math, the story of Raye Montague. I discovered Raye's story when Bessie Moore, the founder of Economics Arkansas, was recognized in the Arkansas Women's Hall of Fame. At that time, Raye Montague was also recognized. Raye's story was very impressive to me because she was a female who had overcome racial inequalities and sexism to be a very successful engineer. So the book goes through in a very poetic way in rhyme and tells the story, the important parts of Raye's accomplishments, but in the back it has a timeline, and then it has some really important points about the story. So it gives the teacher more information to share with the students. So if you teach STEM fields, this would be an excellent book. If you teach minority students or first-generation students, I would definitely share this story with your students. As you can see here, you can use the video to share it with your students. If you don't have a budget to buy the book is really amazing, and I like having them hard copy and touching them and sharing them with my students, but that's your decision on how you use it in that way. So I hope you will use it, and I hope to hear from you about what you did with it, how you used it with your students to inspire all of your students, male, female, Caucasian, Latino, African American, Pacific Islander, whatever nationality, Asians, whatever nationality, inspire them to pursue STEM fields. A lot of times it's just a lack of confidence. And I think The Girl with a Mind for Math is so important because we see emphasis on STEM education, but if you don't have an understanding of math, you can't be successful with STEM. So use this to empower and motivate the young people in your class. Thank you.